Hi, boys and girls. Happy story time. For today's book, can you guess what animal it's going to be about? Yeah, a bear. So it is winter time right now, and some animals hibernate all winter long. That means that they sleep during the winter time and they wake up when the weather starts getting warmer in the springtime. And one of those animals is a bear. So we're going to read a story about bears and hibernation. The story is The Bear Snores On. I have my little bear cave here. All right, here we go. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. And a teeny tiny mouse squeak, 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 squeak. Pitter-patters, tiptoes, creeps and crawls in the cave from the fluffy cold snow. Hello, everybody. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. And he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Here, let me make a little fire. Okay, here we go. Ooh, nice little fire. There we go, mouse. You could go right there. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop. But bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare boop, 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 hops in. "Hello." "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Oh, come here, Rabbit, have some tea. Oh, that's such good tea. Come here, little mouse. Have some tea right there. Mouse sips wee slurps and Hare burps big burps. Hare, you better say excuse me. But the bear snores on. Shh. A badger scuttles by, or a raccoon, and sniffs the air. "I smell yummy yum-yums. Perhaps we could share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up and dive right in." "Oh, come here, Badger." "Oh, yummy. Here, guys, you could share some." "Oh, good. We'll enjoy that by the tea." Right there. Perfect. And they nibble and they munch. They chew, chomp, and crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. "Hello. Hey, we want to come into the party." "Oh, let's get right by the fire." Perfect. And then the wren and the raven flutter through the door. Shh. Oh, here we go. Let's join on in, everybody. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm!" twiddles wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Can you believe he's still sleeping through this? Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons the stew. "Oh, come here, let me add some little stew, a little bit of pepper." Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he seizes, "Achoo, achoo, achoo!" And the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh, what are we gonna do? Bear woke up. The bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls. He roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. He growls and he grumbles. Arr! You snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. Bear whimpers and he moans, he wails and he growls, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look and see. We can pop more corn and brew more tea. Oh, what a good idea, Mouse. Thank you so much. Bear glumps and he gobbles. Ooh, stew. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Oh, man. Oh, well. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoy this story. Bear Snores On. Until next time, have a great night. Bye.